When Jesus arrived into the life of many of us, and when you are in the midst of persecution, what you will hear is that God will tell you to run away. God will tell you to run away. If it is your mama that is persecuting you, if it is your baba that is persecuting you, he has you to run away. And the reason for that is that if you stay in that midst of persecution because you are still a babe, there is tendency for you to drop what God is doing you until you are relocated somewhere where you'll be grounded. Look at what happened to Moses. If he stayed in Egypt, they will kill him. And if he will not be killed, then he will drop the idea of pursuing him that is invisible. Sometimes when we tell people that you have to change environment, some people think it's just a religious idea. When we lead people to Christ and we know where they were and what they were doing there. So the reason for such relocation is for you to be groomed and be grounded. Please, are you following?